So it finally arrived. I bought this green screen to use on our training and webinar videos. So let's open it up and see whether Elgato's chroma key screen or green screen is suitable for businesses as well. This is designed for gamers who like to stream their gameplay, but I thought this could be a good idea to have it at your desk or inside my home when I want to make videos. I don't want to go to our studio every time I want to make a video, and also I would like to use my or some other teachers' picture on the webinars or training videos, but not as a square. I want to use the slides as a background and just crop the teacher or the trainer to that video, and for that I need a green screen. We obviously have a studio where I could have a large green screen backdrop, but I decided to go this way and see if it's easier to use. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This seems to weigh 10.7 kilos, so it's not terrible heavyweight to drag alone, and it's obviously fits through your, if you have a car where you have a ski hole in the back seat for skis, then it also fits there. I noticed up when I was picking this up from the store. Okay, what we have here is a nice carry around package with some clips to open it up and handle to carry it on. And what it does seems to do is we can easily pack it up, and once you are done, just pack it up. And there are also feet that you can switch on so it doesn't trip over like so. But let's put it up and see if it's any good. So here we have it. I think it's a bit too short for standing use, or is it? I think it is, but let's try with it with this chair, and then it's probably covering up me perfectly. Okay, so let's sew the back side as well. So what we have here is quite a good mechanism. This is mostly metal, and it just pulls it down, so it's really easy to use, it seems. Obviously no idea whether this is good for long-term use, but I hope it is. So the next thing is to actually try it out. I'm now sitting in front of a green screen, but you will probably see something else on background. I try to change it on a post-production to something else. I'll try later to switch the background also on the live streaming sessions, or whether I can change the background on live stream as well. I don't know if that can be done with a software that's suitable for business use as well. I know that it's doable for if you are streaming it to Twitch or some other place that the gamers want to stream their shows, but whether it's doable for something that we business people like to use, that I don't know yet. So this is how I was thinking to use it. It's now on my desk, and with just few seconds I have it up and I can start broadcasting. At least an ideal level seems like a perfect idea, so let's see how it works in practice. Yeah. So let's try if this green screen is worth the money I've spent. It costs close to 200 euros. I could have bought it from Amazon, but for some reasons they didn't deliver it to Finland, so I have to bought it from a local store. Now you'll see the green screen on back of me, and now you should see something else. Let's see what I managed to put there during the post-production, and now I'll get back to the green screen. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. I will get back with once I will try this with webinar softwares and live streaming to tell you whether it's worth the money or not.